Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful ruby red 2018 Toyota CHR XLE. Beautiful wheels on these CHRs. It's a really nice vehicle. Small, compact SUV based on almost the Toyota Corolla. Very, very clean condition. Comes with rain guards, tinted windows, that beautiful tricolor red all the way around. Comes equipped with LED headlights and fog lights, automatic. And then it also comes equipped with all the latest safety features, and the engine is powered by the ever reliable 2.0 four-cylinder engine, new style four-cylinder, almost reminiscent of the 1.8. Just a little extra punch, and it comes with an active eco mode. Small fuel tank on this, so even though it does get the 30 miles to the gallon, the fuel tank I believe is only about 12 gallons on this. So in between fill-ups you'll be around 10 gallons per fill-up, because the last two only comes on with the emergency fuel level low light. Four-wheel disc brakes, electronic rear braking system, so do get brake hold and electronic rear emergency brake. Comes with these beautiful patterns across the door panels and the headliner. One of the most unique headliners goes alongside with the Nissan Cube and the Hyundai Veloster as far as the passenger small cars go. It's one of the nice headliners with that pattern in it. And then interior smoke and pet free. Also comes with the original owner's manual in there. And then we have ice cold AC. And we get an eco heat and cool. That's a newer feature on the Corollas and CHRs to kind of regulate how much energy and fuel consumption is going on with the AC system. But comes with dual climate controls, automatic AC and syncable AC, and then it also has a magnet here for a phone. That's aftermarket. But it comes with dual heated seats. It has a nice large touchscreen media stereo with HD radio, Grace Note, so you can sync your phone to provide navigation. And then it comes with auxiliary Bluetooth and USB connectivity. A nice shift knob, nice ergonomical shift knob there with the brush nickel. And then it comes with a CVT transmission with the option of sport shift, and then our electric rear parking brake, the brake hold system. And it's got this little tray here that's removable for a charging port. And then up top here we have our dual vanity mirrors. They are illuminated, so we do get that function. And then map lighting, and then auto dimming rear view mirror. So for this one, with the latest safety features, you get Toyota's Safety Sense suite to include blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert. So all those nice latest features there. Split folding 60/40 rear seats. You get a cup holder. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, and all four windows are automatic function, so up and down on all four windows. And then up underneath here we have our spare tire tools jack. And then nice sporty rear end, very angular. Looks great with these wheels. Got carbon fiber aftermarket overlays for the rear taillights. Some light sun fading here on the spoiler, not uncommon. And then we have our shark fin antenna for the satellite radio. But how you open the door is really nice. Feels good in your hand to open the rear door. And then it, of course, comes with these aftermarket fins there, and then the rain guards as well too. So coming behind the driver's side, we have the all automatic functions for the windows. We have the power locks, power mirrors, and then we get power folding side view mirrors. So these mirrors fold in automatically when you lock the door. It does have keyless smart entry. So with that keyless smart entry, you're able to unlock and lock the door, and then you'll see the mirrors fold in automatically. Nice feature there. So interior illumination, fuel door release, fog lights, and automatic high beams for the LED high beams. So as you're driving, you can see them pop on automatically when driving in a dark road. So front rear interval wipers, Again, automatic headlights, multi-function leather wrap steering wheel, great condition there. Got the nice feature of the piano black with the or the flake in the paint, kind of matching the exterior of the vehicle. Nice bright Toyota logo, multi-function wheel for Bluetooth voice command, and then for our volume and stereo controls with our lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, just running around on the infotainment system, the trip meter, and then a cruise control switch down here. So it is push start button vehicle. Got a nice CHR animation there. And then there's your rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring is all active. You can turn these features off if you don't like any of the lights on the dash. Park lights on for the electronic rear parking brake, comes on automatically. And then you can see a digital speedometer down to empty, eco mode, G-force monitor. I mean, all kinds of new style features for that these new cars are come equipped with. So it comes with 117,000 original miles. So the fan switch to turn up the air conditioning is this button here, and then these are both for the climate, and this is for the mode. So that's gonna then, you know, that's how it kind of functions across these 4 switches, kind of making it a little more simple and less buttons. Your rear backup camera comes up here on the rear view mirror, so this is just reserved for your touchscreen stereo controls, and then plenty of screens through here, so you can go through your media settings, and you can tune the device and everything there. Then if you download the app, you can get the Grace Note going for that. Comes with the original Toyota windshield, no cracks, no chips, everything's all good. Everything's properly working on the vehicle, runs great. If you're looking for an ultra reliable, fuel efficient, great looking 4-cylinder SUV, look no further than this very beautiful, very sporty Toyota CHR. XLE, 2-wheel drive on this one. Very, very nice, beautiful vehicle. You can find this Toyota exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.